Never trust the specs on paper until you've actually used the phone in real life. And the OnePlus 15 is a perfect example of that, because the moment I started pushing this thing with heavy apps, long gaming sessions, and constant 165Hz scrolling, I realized it's not just another upgrade. It's trying to be the fastest phone you can buy right now. So here's what happened when I used the OnePlus 15 as my main phone and why it surprised me more than I expected. Before anything else, let's talk about what this phone feels like when you first pick it up. The build is solid. It has Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front, Gorilla Glass 7i or Crystal Shield on the back, depending on the model, and an aluminum alloy frame that feels strong but smooth in the hand. It weighs around 211 to 215 grams, and it sits in that sweet spot where it feels premium without being annoying to hold. OnePlus also added a ceramic-style coating at the back, which helps with grip and keeps it looking fresh longer. And because people keep dropping phones in the worst moments, the IP68 and IP69K ratings are honestly a big deal. It can handle water, dust, and even high-pressure water jets, so durability isn't a worry here. Now let's talk about the display, because this is where OnePlus clearly flexed. You get a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 165Hz, 1 billion colors, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and crazy good brightness. The typical brightness is 800 nits, but it pushes up to 1800 nits in high brightness mode. The colors, the sharpness, the motion, everything feels smooth and responsive. And since the screen supports Ultra HDR images, photos really pop with detail. When it comes to performance, this is the part that many people care about most. And honestly, this phone is a machine. It's running the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 with insane clock speeds that go up to 4.6 GHz on the big cores. Paired with the Adreno 840 GPU, apps open instantly, gaming runs without stutter, and multitasking feels effortless. Oxygen OS 16 on Android 16 keeps everything light and clean, and with storage options from 256 GB up to 1 TB using UFS 4.1, the phone never slows down. And no, there's no SD card slot, but you probably won't need it. Now let's talk about the cameras, because OnePlus made some bold choices here. Instead of chasing crazy megapixels, they used 3 solid 50-megapixel shooters: the main camera with OIS, a periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide that's great for travel shots. The photos look sharp, detailed, and natural. Low light is clean, colors stay accurate, and the focusing is fast thanks to the multi-directional PDAF and laser focus. Video is even more fun. You can shoot up to 8K at 30 FPS, or 4K at 120 FPS if you want that smooth look. Stabilization does a great job when walking, and Dolby Vision helps the footage look more cinematic. Even the selfie camera is strong, with a 32-megapixel sensor that delivers crisp shots, and it can shoot 4K video at 60 FPS, which makes it great for creators or anyone who films themselves. Now, when it comes to battery life, this is where the phone shocked me. The 7300 mAh battery is huge for a flagship, and you can feel it in daily use. Easily lasts a full day, even with gaming and heavy screen time. And the charging is wild. 120-watt wired, 50-watt wireless, plus reverse wireless. You can go from 0 to half in about 15 minutes. And yes, there's bypass charging, so you can game while plugged in without overheating. So here's the real takeaway. The OnePlus 15 is for people who want raw speed, a killer display, strong cameras, and a huge battery without overpaying for features they won't use. It's fast, it's stable, and it feels built for long-term use. If you want more honest reviews like this, watch the next video.